Stop blindly paying Amazon whatever they ask per click. The lower your cost per click, the more sales and money you'll make at the end of the day. So I'm going to be showing you that cost per click, CPC, equals cost per click. If you didn't know that, right? It's an acronym. So you want to get the cost per click as low as possible. And you could see the lower your cost per click, the easier it is to win on Amazon. And this is just not something that's made up. This is a fact, right? And I'm going to explain it more in depth. But right here, you can see if you're running Amazon ads, you pay per click. So when an ad shows up, a customer gets all excited because you show up on page number 1, you're spot number 1 because you're paying Amazon, and they click on it. And just for that click, you're spending most likely around $1, right? They might not buy. And if you get 100 clicks in a day and you get nobody buys, that's $100 lost, right? 100 clicks, cost per click, 100 people click, $100, right? You can get your cost per click down to 2 cents. 2 cents. And it is possible. We have a lot of clients where we are able to get the cost per click down to 2 cents. So if you got 100 clicks at 2 cents, instead of spending $100, you're spending $2, right? So 2 versus 100. So the lower your cost per click, pretty much the less likely you are to lose money, the more likely you are to make money. If you want cost per click explained in depth, cost per click is a metric that determines how much advertisers pay for the ads they place on websites or social media based on the numbers of clicks the ad receives. Cost per click, called PPC or pay per click, is important for marketers to consider since it measures the price for a brand's paid advertising campaigns, right? So this is just this is a little bit confusing, but I think you kind of get the gist of what cost per click is, right? Just follow these images, what I just showed you. But to actually change your cost per click, right, you can see right here, depending on the item, you can get your cost per click lower than what Amazon's suggesting. That's going to be the first goal, is getting it lower than what Amazon's suggesting. So you can see right here, we spent 74 cents and made around $100 in sales, right? That's pretty darn good. You didn't even spend $1. This is less than 1% ACoS, and it's definitely achievable and achievable long term. Here's another one. This one we spent $2 and then made around $100 in sales, 2% ACoS, right? So it depends on the item, but you can get it down to 2 cents per click, again, depending on the item. But the first goal you want to do is just get it below Amazon's suggested, because you don't want to be stuck in the trap. Amazon's making money off of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your ads. You're going to click on one of your ads. So for example, we're in an ad right now. And now we're going to click on the ad group. So you can click right click and you can click open link in new tab. We're going to the ad group. And now we're in the ad group. Once you're in the ad group, you're going to see the word targeting, right? Targeting on the left side. You want to click on targeting. Once you click on targeting, now you can see all the way to the right. This is where you change your cost per click. Amazon, for this one, Amazon's suggesting we spend $2 per click. But in reality, we're spending, pretty much half that. It's $1.20. And we can slowly decrease this over time, because once you start spending money on an ad, Amazon does prioritize you, and you can usually, after you start spending money, slowly lower your bid. So you're saving money in the long term. Now, you can't do this with all campaigns and all products, but depending on the campaign, depending on the keyword, right, then you can get your cost per click down to very low, down to 2 cents. For example, we have a client that sells board games. During the holiday season, board games, people type those in. That's a huge keyword. People are buying board games, family games all the time for the holiday season. they usually have to spend around 50 cents cost per click, but we lowered it to 2 cents for the holiday season because we knew that instead of 100 people typing it in, there was going to be almost 100,000. So there was tons of people typing in board games, board games, board games. So since there were so many people typing it in, Amazon showed their actual ad and they were spending 2 cents per click. And that means that they were generating a lot more sales and spending a lot less. They were spending like $5, getting $500 in return. So it is possible. If you do need help with Amazon PPC or anything Amazon, we're Amazon experts, happy to help you. There's a link right in the description if you need help. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.